Final polish, eh?
So what does Neil use?
Oh, you'll just use stop and plaster. He's old school, mate. As long as it's got stop and plaster written on the bag, you'll use it.
Yeah, but is it just because you get it, or is it, what did he used to use?
Well, you always use stop and things. So, that's all we had years ago, we used to use.
Yeah, but you used to use the, what's that stuff?
I like cornice to me.
You used to use the greyish, didn't you?
Yeah, I used to use that too, but that's a stop and plaster.
It used to be sort of grey.
Grey.
Grey in colour.
Was it?
It was.
We used to go through a bit of that stuff, buy it by the ton.
Yeah, no, when you used to go over to Western Australia and get it, didn't you?
No way.
Well, where'd you get it from?
Well, they delivered it. I didn't go there.
No, I'm just saying, no, I just say you used to...
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you probably still get it, but it doesn't stick to paintwork as good as cornice cement, all those stop and plaster. Cornice cement's, more versatile. You only got to get one or two bubbles for stopping, you've had it.
Yeah, you're right.
All your gains are lost, really. Nothing gained.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say.
That's right, mate. The bottle cornice cement used to be good years ago.
The borrow, yeah, that used to be alright years ago.
Not now.
I don't know what's happened to borrow. They're sold up at there at Maple, they're not there North Road anymore.
No. No, they've changed the additives around. They had the best stuff going years ago, didn't they?
The trouble is, they get something good and they keep throwing the stuff around with it and they stuff it up in the end.
Yeah.
It's even like the gyprock stuff they stuff around with that now and again too.
No, they quite often they'll ride on it formula and change it.
Yeah, that's right.
That's how much it means to them not changing it. They know what people want. They want it to stay the same.
That's right. They know what. You don't want something like you're used to how it works, and then all of a sudden you've got something different.
You've got to start again. Yeah. But sometimes it just doesn't work as good. Like that bottle went backwards.
Yeah. No, as you say, it used to be the best.
Oh, best by far, wasn't it? It used to polish up well, didn't it? Beautiful to work with. And then you can't find anything. At that time I couldn't find anything as good to replace it, you know?
Yeah.
That's the time I was buying all that Brady's, But it wasn't quite as good as a big
So, Steve's given the plastering away, he's just concentrating on the denture stuff.
Teaching
it.
Teachers in one of the unis, yeah. He reckons if he had a crack to fix it, he'd give me a call. That's how much he's given away.
Right.
Yeah, so... If he's like that, he'll sort of go on somewhere.
Anyway, he's stuffed with his body anyway, isn't he?
Hey?
His body's stuffed anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, he's yeah. But he's like that, can be like that, he'll go on something and then off it. He'll hit it hard and then back off on it. Okay, it's pretty well lit, eh?
Yeah, it's got
wash up.
No, it's just... No light.
Yeah.
Do you just want... Oh, you can't just get it from there, can you hold that against there like that, can you?
No, a bit fine for me, mate. Oh, well,
Yeah, just on the bottom ladder.
I'll come up here, yeah.
Just hold it where I've got it, the trowel.
Oh, mate.
So I can... Oops. Over this way, mate. That's better. That's better.
Yeah. pretty good, mate. I can't see what you're doing there, sweetheart.
You know me, I'm very fussy.
Yeah.
You do it like it's your own. You can't go wrong then.
Yeah, I
just
can't.
grab that a minute. Right.
Beautiful job you've done up there. Been a bit of movement in the old place, hasn't there?
Mm.
Like the painter will want to give it a light for his hand anyway, John. don't do him out of all his work.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Do that the best I can, that's all I can do.
Yeah, that's it, mate.
So what's on tonight? You go out tonight?
No,
Who's cooking tea tonight, Neil?
take away, mate.
Take away.
This is something cold out of the fridge. It's okay for you, married blokes.
Well, look, I get home sometimes.
Yeah.
He doesn't get home like past 6 sometimes. So I'll just, she'll get to put the stuff out on the stove and I'll just prepare it all.
Yeah. Very delicate touch up there, isn't it? Am I?
I'm doing this for your benefit.
Oh yeah. Just to get on the movies, eh?
I'll end up in Bollywood, you know that?
Yeah. Bollywood movies.
Bollywood movies, yeah, Bollywood movie star.
That's it.
I like the tall, handsome blokes.
Right, mate. A little bit of fluff under her chin too, mate.
Yeah, Sue wants me to get rid of it. She does.
Yeah, I don't blame her, mate.
She said, yeah.
Oh, I agree with her. It looks pretty cute, though. But I see it all the time. I don't take any notice, that's the thing.
No, I'll probably.
That must be it now, mate.
Yeah,
Almost.
Oh. I've just got to get the enamel gas to just catch a couple of spots up.
Alright. Oh, style.
Beautiful to watch, isn't it?
Yeah. Wonderful.
Like I bought one now.
That's right.
Screw it on the other side.
Alright. nice, eh?
Lovely.
Yeah, lovely to watch. The cornice had dropped. Okay, so you cut it out and put a couple of bits in. Right.
No, this one was up, that one was down.
Right, okay.
There's no way you could...
No way you could fix it.
Without taking them down.
Right.
Oh.
Very good.
That.
Good. You've got to float the seal now a bit, is it?
Yeah, I've got it.
A bit moved up a bit, fair bit.
It up a bit, you know.
Right.
Make it look
Right.
How are you going on the other job?
Oh, good. We're getting ready to put the cornice up. We've got the ceiling up. We've got the panels up.
Oh, very good.
Got to put the cornice straps. Yeah.
Very good, mate.
Yeah, 5 panels in one room. Yeah, you're a specialist in repair.
Oh,
That's your specialty, repair, John, eh?
yeah, I can do anything.
You can do anything, but that's what you like doing at this stage of life.
Yeah, no, never mind.
Yeah.
Do you have a look in the 2 set of rooms?
Not yet, no. I'll get you to take me through it in a minute. Tell me what you've done. Come up well?
Yeah, no, they do.
Good.
Very good.
When's your holiday coming up?
Holiday?
Yeah.
Not the big one's not till August.
Alright.
That's the middle. I've got a small one in June. I'm just going down the road for 5 days.
Yeah, you can't afford to have too many of those big ones, can you? They cost a bit more, don't they?
They do, but anyway. We try to get on one a year.
Yeah. Dog's still at you?
Oh, I go all day.
Huh?
He loves me. So you got a bit coming in?
Just a little bit. It's not that busy.
I've got a lot on, to be honest.
Have you?
2 months' work. No joke.
Yeah, I think
I've had 3 calls in the last 2 days. I've got a patch up one in North Fitzroy. I've got another one I've got to look at Monday before the mentions in Fitzroy.
Oh, it's insurance, so yeah.
And I've got, I'm doing one in Brighton. Not this week.
That's a builder.
No, that's private.
Private, is it?
Yeah, I've
Who's that for?
got the Footscray chiropractic centre to patch up.
Who's the one in Brighton for?
Just to ask some people. Friends of friends.
Oh.
It's only 2 days.
No?
Only 2 days, 2 days.
Oh, okay.
No, but I've got a lot on, you know.
Oh, we've just got through a fair bit of work this year, really.
Yeah.
Doesn't even matter if we had a break.
Patched up. I've got around the whole top because there was a freeze around there, which has all been taken off. It's only made of paint on that.
Right.
There's patches and
So in here, wow, pretty big in there, isn't it? Come on, well, what'd you use? The CSR and lime?
Sand, cement, and then set.
Right. Oop. A little bit of light there.
The light's not real good.
Oh, yeah. Right, that's a good job, John. Did you put a bit of...
Got a few more on that.
A bit of wire in there. Okay, good. It'll look alright, isn't it?
That'll look alright when I'm finished with it now.
Eh?
It'll look alright when I'm finished with it.
Yeah, so bring that ceiling down a bit there. You bring it down. I'll bring it up. So, what else is news? Not much, mate. It's going along really. Not much. A bit of a chill, like this cold weather coming on.
You had a chill?
Well, I feel, yeah, it's just sweating a bit, sort of, you know, as if I've got a touch of a cold or something. There's a bit of straight stopping in the van too, John, if you see.
Where's that, mate?
Just under there.
Oh, yeah.
No, yeah?
Not eating enough veggies, mate. I'm serious. Too much Thai food.
They have a fair bit of veggies out.
Too much Thai, mate.
Yeah. Actually, we're not having it lately. It was a bit greasy last time.
Oh, you're off the ball, that's the main thing.
Yeah. How's Anthony? Got a new job?
Anthony?
Yeah.
Got a new job. He's going well with his new job.
Good.
I told you he's engaged, didn't I? He's got engaged and just we moved into their house and another 6 weeks in their new house. So he's all happy.
Yeah. Following Dad's footsteps, eh?
Yeah, no, he's probably better than that.
They learn by our mistakes, don't they, the younger ones?
I don't know about that.
Not that easy being young now, though, is it? For
no, I wouldn't like to be starting out again now, to be honest.
No.
Not just, it's just society today with the way it is.
Yeah. John with the trout.
Like a bloody piece of art.
Piece of what?
Piece of art.
That's right, bit of artwork. You got a little crack in that miter up there.
Look at he's picking up. What are you coming here picking on me for?
No, just in case you...
What are you talking about now?
Oh, I just had actually up there. Just had a little hairline there.
Oh, that'll be no worries.
No.
Coming here picking on me.
No, nothing you missed. It's something you haven't started.
It's a hard life at the top of the guru, mate.
Not easy, is it
I
for you?
spoke to Keith the other day. Yesterday.
Yeah. What's he doing?
Oh, he's looking for work.
You're not looking anymore?
No. He's got the same problem. He's got feet problem now.
Feet?
Yeah, like sore feet. You know, like in the arches and that.
Arch problem. That's no good.
Hey?
Arch problem.
Oh, with his feet.
Yeah.
Well, he's got bad feet. He's always had bad feet with his toes and stuff. But he's got the basic what I've got. You know, he's going to get into orthotics.
Oh. Better not be screaming around those new jobs, though.
Hey?
Those big jobs wouldn't be doing him any good.
No, he gets by.
Hey?
He gets by, Neil.
Yeah. Polishing up the walls there. Corner cement. Although his mate likes that new work, doesn't he?
Oh, they do a bit of everything too, mate.
Do they?
I don't just do all new work.
Oh. Mainly builders over there working for it.
Oh, yeah, mainly I suppose. He does do a bit of private work there.
Does he? He didn't say anything about mine, did he?
No. No, he didn't. He said, don't call me, I'll call you.
Well, I think that's the way it's working anyway, mate.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. So Neil's doing alright?
Good. Yeah.
Settled in?
Yeah, it took a couple of days to get going, but he's right.
Have to go up to... Where's he going?
Beaufort. Up to Beaufort.
So where's that job? In,
Which one?
the one, the big one you're doing?
Just in Burke Road, Glen Iris.
Oh, that's not far away.
No.
Close to home, mate.
That's right, mate. Just had a look at a garage ceiling falling down the other day.
Yeah. Plenty of those around.
I reckon. It was a big solid plaster job, about 4 rooms to set, render, and said, you're the man.
You get your mates on that, won't you?
Yeah, that's right. You got a big
Look,
quote?
if I was working with a crew or something, I wouldn't mind doing it, but...
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way. You gotta leave something for the young boys, mate.
No, I don't want to try.
You've done it all.
Yeah. You don't have to say you love me.
Just be close at hand.
So,
Eh?
no other news.
That's it, mate.
I'm off to see busting out all over tomorrow night.
That's gonna be alright. Don't you go
You know what
busting
it's
out all
about?
over,
You know
mate.
what it's about?
Yeah. But you can tell by the words, I think.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
I reckon Neil would like to see that.
You'd be embarrassed.
He would.
You'd be embarrassed.
Embarrassed. What's to be embarrassed about? The
Neil will.
human body.
He's quiet though.
There you go.
That's right. Dancing with my shadow, make him believe it's you. Dancing with my shadow. Hey?
Fantastic stuff this conservation.
Yeah.
A lot finer than the typical.
Ah, it comes up smooth, doesn't it? Just need plenty of accelerator, don't you?
No, you don't have to have a lot in it, to be honest.
Just a bit anyway.
Just a little bit. The tape had lifted in this corner, so what I did, just pulled it back a bit and put some stuff under it
Alright, good.
and just stopped it up again.
That's the way. Few minor adjustments, eh?
That's right.
In the limelight up there, aren't you?
Well, it's not really good in this place. It should have this No peel for screw.
You get some big corners to put up there, but 180 maybe.
180?
Something like that, or maybe even bigger.
Well, since I've done that sort of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, we reusing what was up there.
Yeah.
There's a crack along that top member. I don't know if you
Yeah, I
can
know,
see.
mate. I put.
Get it laid up.
No, I'm doing
Yeah.
no more gaps in some of that.
Oh, yeah.
There's been no more gap before. That's why I'm running around the.
Oh.
So you got a full house?
Oh, pretty well. Pretty well, mate. Main thing is to get the right people there, you know.
Well, that's right. That's the same with any place you're renting out.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Get the wrong people, it's like a nightmare.
Exactly. Well, you see some of those reality shows on TV. What happens when you get the wrong people together, don't you?
I know. Yeah, you can't get them out sometimes.
Yeah, but those reality shows are really nothing like. It's worse again in reality.
Yeah.
In real life, because at least they got some control. They get kicked off a TV show or something there.
Yeah.
But, had me times, I tell you. Wouldn't want to.
You live and you learn, though, Neil.
Yeah, well, that's right. That's
You
why
know,
I'm pretty strict.
You
now.
go through those sort of experiences and you wake up to what you got to do, don't you?
Oh, mate, you got to be strict with your decisions. It's only asylum seekers that take me out.
Only what?
Only asylum seekers. That's all.
But even then, you don't know what you get with them sometimes.
I know.
Depends on what sort of
But that's what.
down and upbringing they've had.
Yeah, but that's what you got to specialise in something, I think. Same as what we do with plastering, you know. Best to specialise, and you get to know that field. And I want a upstairs veranda, the front, and a veranda to go right across at the bottom. Huh? Huh? It is nice that cornice cement, isn't it?
Yeah, you can't beat it now. Told you about it. Told you about it, mate.
What is it?
It's a Lafarge.
Lafarge cornice cement.
45.
Lafarge 45. Super fine cornice cement.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah,
good
it's great.
for troweling. Yeah.
Great.
You like it better than the CSR, don't you?
I do. CSR's alright for corners, but as far as patching up all this stuff, I just use it all the time, yeah. You have to come back and sand.
Yeah.
Or just give it a light sand on the edges.
Yeah. It comes up well, alright. Hairline crack there. Pretty small, isn't it?
No, it's fine, the dog. He's just growling, he knows you're in here.
Yeah.
He knows you've got big boots.
What about yours? Yours are bigger than mine.
Dad, he likes yours, he likes your brand better. So here's the bullet going, mate. You look like it's come back on again.
Yeah, not too bad, mate.